Elise lives in an affordable co-op in downtown Toronto. She's lived in the same building for 20 years, but with the cost of maintenance going up and the lease the building is built on potentially ending, her future prospects of living in downtown Toronto may be coming to an end. She states, growing up, she never wanted to be a homeowner and instead dreamed of going to university and traveling. Having lived a rich life abroad, today she wonders if she made the right decision by investing in life experiences rather than housing security. Some of her oldest friends made different decisions. They focused on home ownership, paying the mortgage off, and raising families. Today, they're retired, sit in their gardens, and enjoy their grandkids and travel. They appear to be relatively content and clearly not worried about the housing security. She's envious of the peace of mind they have, but still contends that this was not the life for her. She states she knows she did the right thing for herself at the time, but now fears for her housing future. I do think there are a lot of valuable lessons to be learned from Lisa's story. Personally, I think you can have your cake and eat it too. The cake may just look a little bit different than you're imagining. As someone who grew up with humble beginnings and had grand plans of travel, I did prioritize life experience and was grateful that I could create opportunities to see the world. And every time I did, it made me realize more and more how great Vancouver is. So I shifted my focus to home ownership and frugal living. Many years of sacrifice were needed in order to save up for my first home, but I'm thankful I did.